Hello guys, I'm teacher Anna. Welcome to the second part of language. So we will continue working in your books. We finished in the Zoom class at page 66. We finished with this, right? So go to your book at page 67. 67. But first, I am going to make a review about the comma rules. Pay attention here. I already have it here. And you can see comma rules. We saw this in the Zoom class. We're going to make a review. Use a comma and a conjunction to correct a wrong sentence. After yes or no at the beginning of a sentence, before and after the name of the person you are speaking to in a sentence. Use a comma to separate a city and a state. Do you remember we was talking about what city? Natchitoches, Louisiana. There is the name of the city and that's the name of the state. Natchitoches is the city and Louisiana is the state. Use a comma to separate words or group of words in a series. What mean that? I have many balloons that are colored yellow, blue, pink, red, and orange. You're going to use comma to separate. And you will use a comma to separate part of a date. We saw that in the Zoom class. So what mean that? I have some examples. Here I have Max was born on Wednesday, August 21st. In what place I am going to write a comma? In what place? After what? After Wednesday. After Wednesday, I am going to put it the comma. Sorry for the comma. I can draw a comma here in the screen. So did you see? Max was born on Wednesday, August 21st. Wednesday, comma, August 21st. So the other example, pay attention in the other example. Oh, did you see it? I'm fast. I put it fast, right? Max was born on Wednesday, comma, August 21st. Now here, Max was born on Wednesday, comma, August 21st, comma, 2005. We're going to separate the days, month, and years. You're going to put it a comma. Here, Max was born on Wednesday, August 21st, comma, 2005, comma, in Washington. Here, in this video, we are going to learn that. Go to your book at page 67. Are you there? What say that? What say that? What say that rule? ¿Qué dice esa regla? Use comma to separate the part of a date. Vamos a separarlo cuando tengamos una fecha. Did you see the example? Thursday, September 14, comma, 2021. You saw that in the last class. Now, when a date is given in a sentence, place a comma after the year to. O sea, cuando la oración sigue, como por ejemplo acá, si ustedes ven acá, en el anterior terminó en el año 2005. The sentence finished with a year. In this sentence, that's the sentence doesn't finish with the year. La oración no termina con el año. Miren, aquí está el año. Ahí está el año. Pero la oración no termina ahí. Can you read this? In Washington. So, Max was born on Wednesday, August 21st, comma, 2005, comma, in Washington. That's the rule says. you're going to place a comma after the year. O sea que después del año, usted va a poner una coma. Unless the date comes at the end of the sentence. Pero si termina en el 2000, en el año, ahí sí ya no vamos a poner coma porque ese es el final de la oración. Vamos a poner coma si la oración sigue como en este ejemplo. So, I have other example here. Max was born in Seattle, Washington. What happened here? What happened? Who can tell me the rules for that? We're going to use a comma to separate the name of the town or city, in this case is Seattle, from the state. Seattle is the city and Washington is the state. You're going to put a comma, Seattle, comma, Washington. The other example says, Max was born in Seattle, Washington. Did you see? The sentence doesn't finish in Washington. The sentence continues on winter morning. So if the sentence continues, you're going to put after the state a comma, ¿ok? Si la oración termina, no termina en el estado o en el departamento, por ejemplo. Panchito was born in San Pedro Sula, Cortés, on a winter morning. En este caso sería on a raining morning. Dice que Panchito nació en San Pedro Sula, Cortés, en una mañana lluviosa. So, you're going to put a comma in after San Pedro Sula, after Cortés, after on a winter morning. I'm going to write it so you can see it mejor. Okay, Panchito. Panchito was born in San Pedro Sula. Wait, in San Pedro Sula. What am I going to write? Comma. Cortés, comma. Because the sentence continue. Okay? On a rainy day. Did you see it, the comma? Comma after San Pedro Sula, comma after Cortés. So, we review this. Now, go to your book. Oh, what's this? This is not the book. Yes, I have the book here. Go to your book at page 61. No, 60, what is the page? 67. 67. Page 67. Okay? Are you in page 67? Yes? Okay, go to the exercise A. Did you see this? Yes, that is a shrimp. What is that? Shrimp. Un camarón que se duerme en el río de la corriente. Okay, shrimp is an important ingredient in Louisiana dish called jambalaya. Jambalaya is food. It's a kind of food. Es un tipo de comida de Louisiana. The shrimp are shaped just like commas. Draw a shrimp in each place. A comma is necessary in the sentence below. Did you see this shrimp? It's the same. They have the same shape of a comma. Tienen la misma forma de una coma. Okay? So, when we receive an invitation, number 1, on December 27, shrimp, 2019, shrimp, I was very excited. The shrimps are the commas. Los camarones son las comas. So, you're going to draw it, dibújelo. Number 2, my aunt and uncle invited us to dinner on Wednesday, comma, January 1st, comma, 2020. Remember, you're going to draw shrimps, no commas, because I'm going to check that, okay? Carter's piano recital was Friday, shrimp, March 30, shrimp, 2018. February 6, shrimp, 2015, shrimp. Why? This is the rule for today. After the year, you're going to draw a comma. You're going to put a comma. Was my great grandmother's 90th birthday. Number 5, on Monday, shrimp, February 15, 2021, shrimp, we have no school. Did you finish? Yes? If you didn't finish, remember you can pause the video. Pause the video. Exercise B, write a sentence telling when your birthday is. You're going to write your birthday, not my birthday. I'm going to write my birthday, not yours. My birthday is in November 16. I am going to celebrate. I'm sorry. And I'm apostrophe to celebrate it. Oh, I'm going to celebrate it. Got it? You're going to write your birthday, not my birthday. Usted escriba su cumpleaños, no el mío. Ahí está. Pause the video if you didn't finish. Okay, use proofreader marks to all necessary commas to sentence below. This exercise, you're going to do it by yourself. I'm going to put it here. Pause the video. Pause the video. Remember, pause the video. Don't copy. If you copy, that is cheat. Eso es copiar, no, eso es trampa. No cheating. Okay. Wasn't Thomas Jefferson born on April 13 to 1743 in Virginia? Remember, we have dates here. After the month, the day, and year, you're going to place a comma. Okay, pause the video and finish this exercise by yourself. Pause the video. If you finish, go to exercise, next page. A ver, exercise A, in the next page. Exercise A. Are you there? Yes? Okay, read the following paragraph about American Samoa. American Samoa is a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean. You can read by yourself, slow or fast. Just pause the video and read it by yourself. I am going to read. I'm going to start again. American Samoa is a group of islands in the Pacific Ocean. It is a territory of the United States. Most people in American Samoa speak Samoan, but many also understand and speak English. Visitors to these islands enjoy beautiful beaches, green valleys, lush rainforests, and busy village. Some visitors snorkel in the clear water near the coral reef. Can you imagine how many colorful fish they see? The people who live on these islands have some special rules about good manners called Fasmoa. Here are some good manners rules for American Samoa. Don't Do not eat or drink while walking through a village. Children should show respect for adults. If you wish to speak to someone who is sitting down, you should also sit down. Above all, be kind and courteous to all. They are very, very strictos, right? Okay, my computer is... se está descargando. Wait a second. Mientras yo voy a conseguir mi cargador de la computadora, miren lo que va a hacer en el siguiente cuadro. Se lo voy a explicar rapidito. Y va a pausar usted el video. Find the following kind of noun from the paragraph above. Write them in the squares below. You're going to write find 4 common nouns. Common nouns. Va a encontrar 4 y me los va a escribir acá. Find 3 proper nouns. Nombres comunes acá, nombres propios acá. De personas, lugares o cosas. Find 2 singular nouns. Find 6 plural nouns. 2 palabras que están en singular, 6 palabras que están en plural acá. Find 2 compound nouns and find 1 noun that cannot be seen or touched. Una palabra de algo que no podamos ver o tocar. Vamos, háganlo ustedes solos. Did you finish? Yes? I'm back. Ya regresé. Ok, find 4 common nouns. Yo voy a escribir los que yo encontré. No se preocupen si ustedes tienen otros. Está bien. Están bien sus respuestas si ustedes tienen otro. For example, I'm going to write people. Wait a second. Se acabó. Ok, common nouns, people, islands, fish, village, forest, and manners. That are my 4 common nouns. Wow. Now, exercise 2. Find 2 singular nouns. Village and territory. People, islands, fish, manners. These are some common nouns. Now, find 2 singular nouns. Voy a escribir los que yo encontré. Village and territory. Find 3 proper nouns. Nombres propios. American Samoa is the name of the place, okay? Pacific Ocean. El Océano Pacífico, estamos hablando de eso, donde está situado. Esta parte, Samoan are the people. That is the name of the people that lives in American Samoa. United States is the name of United States, right? Estados Unidos. In English, capital letters, remember, because are proper nouns. Find 6 plural nouns. Plurals, que están en plural. Plurals mean 2 or more things. Islands, visitors, children. Children, that word is not with S because that word is in plural. Ya está en plural, no le vamos a poner S. Rules and fish. Fish too. You're not going to write fishes. No, fish. Fish is the way to write in plural. Es la manera para escribirlo en plural. Now, the next says, find 2 compound nouns. Did you find the 2 compound nouns? There are 3 compound nouns. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is 1. United States This is a compound, yes, a compound noun. United States and American Samoa. No son compound words like ice cream. No, no ice cream. Like butterfly. No, son palabras que van juntas. No se pueden separar, okay? Okay, I don't know what happened with the computer. So we will continue. Find noun. Find one noun that cannot be seen or touched. Vamos a hacer la última, number 6. What can you not touch or see? ¿Qué podemos ver o tocar? Respect. El respeto no lo podemos tocar. Y manners. Los buenos modales tampoco lo. Pause the video if you didn't finish, okay? Pause the video if you didn't finish. Okay, remember to use a commas. Next page. We almost finished. Next page. With a joining word to correct a run-on sentence after yes or no at the beginning of a sentence, before and after the name of the person being spoken to, between words or a group of words in a series, between cities and state, to separate part of a date after the year into sentence. That's we're talking about. Esto es lo que estábamos hablando. So, you're going to do it by yourself. Make the next exercise by yourself. Sorry, let's move it. Okay. Exercise A, you're going to do it by yourself. Pause the video, and then you're going to check the answer with me. Did you finish? Yes. Now we are going to read the sentence. Read the sentence with me. Tennessee is bordered by the states of Kentucky, comma, Virginia, comma, and North Carolina, comma, Georgia, comma, Alabama, comma, Mississippi, comma, and Missouri. There are a lot of commas. Why? Because that is groups of words. Tenemos un grupo de palabras que estamos enlistando, so you're going to use comma to each one word. On Wednesday, June 1st, comma, 1796, comma, Tennessee became the 16th state in the United States. 3 commas, because that is a date, una fecha. Nashville, Tennessee is the, Nashville, comma, Tennessee, comma, is the state capital. When you are reading words or sentence that are using comma, you're going to make a little pause. Cuando estamos leyendo oraciones con comas, vamos a hacer una pequeña pausa, porque no vamos a decir, el día de ayer yo salté, corrí, jugué, y todo corriendo. El día de ayer yo salté, corrí, jugué, lancé la pelota, jugué con el perro y me divertí mucho. Vamos a hacer pausas pequeñas a leer. For example, that number 3, Nashville, Tennessee, is the state capital. Number 4, Noah, have you heard the story of Davy Crockett? Noah, comma. Yes, comma. I know that Davy Crockett was born in Tennessee. After yes or no, you're going to write, comma. Did you know, mom? Did you know, comma, mom, comma. That's the state flower of Tennessee is the iris. Yes. Now, correct each run-on sentence by using a comma and a joining words. Ruby Falls is in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Is it an exciting place to visit? In this case, we are talking about of a city. So there are 2 run-on sentences. You're going to write and, but, or, okay? Ruby, write with me. Follow me in the exercise, please. Ruby Falls. Ok, Ok, tienen que escribirlo con capital letters. Is in Chattanooga, comma, Tennessee, and, comma, and it is an exciting place to visit. Copy with good letter, please. The state bird is the mockingbird. The state insect is the honeybee. Dice que el ave nacional es el mockingbird. Y el insecto nacional es la abeja, el abejorro. So, guys, we will finish the exercise. We stay in the exercise 2. The state bird is the mockingbird. That state insect is the honeybee. We have run-on sentence here. We are going to write and, but, or. Valga la redundancia de los or. So the state bird, oops, what happened here? The state bird is the mockingbird. Mockingbird, comma, and the state insect is the honeybee. Period. Remember the periods. Remember the periods. The rain has stopped, but the sky is still cloudy. Pause the video and finish to copy. I'm going to put it with other colors. These are the sentences that you must copy in your book. Pause the video. Okay, for the next class, guys, you're going to have a paper, bond paper, papel bond, or construction paper, pero es mejor papel bond y una estampilla, porque vamos a hacer un sobre de carta. Vamos a hacer un sobre de carta. Vamos a ver si se puede ver aquí. Vamos a hacer un sobre de carta. ¿Lo pueden ver? ¿Sí? Ahí está. Así que necesitamos papel bond y una estampilla. ¿Por qué estampilla? Es lo que va aquí, ¿ve? Aquí. Así que vamos a ocupar una. No importa. Una estampilla puede ser de un recorte de una revista o cualquier cosa que se vea. Puede ser algo suyo. Hay varios ejemplos de estampillas. Vamos a poner uno aquí para ver. Voy a quitar esto. Voy a buscar una. Ya les voy a enseñar. Entonces, para la siguiente clase, yo voy a revisar esto. Estas hojas que ustedes hicieron. Pero sí necesito que tengan ese papel. También necesito que tengan pegamento para poder pegarlo y hacer un sobre. O si es posible, ya tengan hecho el sobre. Ustedes lo van a hacer. ¿Ok? Ustedes lo van a hacer con sus manitos. Vamos a ver, sobre. No, estampilla para sobre. Para postal, dice acá. Hay varios ejemplos, miren. Ahorita les muestro. ¿Lo ven? Estos son estampas. Stamps. Puede hacerlo usted, puede dibujarlo. Es un cuadrito pequeño que va a ir en la parte superior derecho. Miren. Aquí va a ir. Entonces, Estos son los stamps. Estampillas. Okay. Remember, you have to finish the exercise book. I'm going to check it in the next class. So you have to have the bond paper or construction paper if you don't have it. And then we are going to make, that is the address envelope, okay? Goodbye, guys. I love you so much. Thank you for your attention.